Hello, welcome back to another Lightroom mobile tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to give your photos a dreamy chalk look, using Lightroom Mobile. To download this preset, please check description. Here are some examples using this filter. So let's get started. Let's adjust the lights first. Go to the light. Contrast to -12. Shadows to -24. Blacks to -29. Go to the curve. RGB. Blue. Done. Now let's move on to the color. Temperature to +5. Tint to +7. Vibrance to -15. Go to mix. Red, saturation to +50. Orange, luminance to +25. Yellow, hue to -100. Saturation to -50. Green, hue to -100. Saturation to -100. Done. Now let's move on to the Effects tab. Vignette to -20. Feather to +60. Go to Split Tone. In the Shadows tab, adjust hue to 215 and saturation to 17. Done. Go to the Details tab. Sharpening to 11. You can decrease the vignette value if you want. Also, decrease midpoint value to 35 or something, to make the edges darker. We're done. Let's copy the settings and apply on some other photos. for watching. We'll meet soon with another Lightroom preset. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.